I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the Pakistani nation on its splendid victory at the United Nations in being elected to the Human Rights Council with the highest number of votes among the Asia-Pacific region, in which there was a contest between several countries. This is an indication of the high regard in which Pakistan is held in the international community and the friendship and support which we enjoy from various parts of the world, including our own region and beyond. This is an opportunity for us to be grateful for Pakistan's reputation, its capacities, and its ability to work in the world in a positive and constructive direction under the leadership of Prime Minister Imran Khan.